So here's how you can unblock someone on Snapchat, and it's actually quite easy to do. All you have to do is follow the steps I'm about to show you and then watch till the really end so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Snapchat app. Now, once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on the chats icon right over here. Alright, so now once you're logged into your Snapchat account, you want to go ahead and click on your Bitmoji icon on the top left-hand corner. I don't really have a Bitmoji, but you should. So now that's going to lead you over to your profile page right over here. Now, once you are in your profile page, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the top right-hand side. This is going to be your settings. And then now once you're in your settings, you want to scroll all the way down to the really bottom. It's not going to be at the very bottom, but it's really close to the bottom. Right here, it's going to be the fourth down to the bottom. It says blocked. So then go ahead and click on blocked. Now, in this page, you can see every single person that you have blocked on your Snapchat account. And in my case, I only have blocked one person for this video. So now if you want to unblock them, simply click on the X button on the right-hand side of their name. And then now it says, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? So simply say yes if you want to unblock them. And as you can see, it says no blocked Snapchatters, meaning you have now unblocked them. And so you're not going to be able to find them in their chats. You're going to have to manually search up their username in the search bar and then add them from here.